Hello students, how are you? See, today we will see the new concept near and far. Okay, how will you spell the word near? Say Near, near, and Far, far. Okay students? Students, near means what? See, something is very next to us, very close to us, which can see easily, is called near. Okay, what students? See, something is very close to us, next to us, which can see easily, we can see easily, that is called as near. Okay, see here, one boy is here, one boy, man, and bus is there. See, where is the boy? See, the boy is near the man. The boy is near the man means the boy is close to the man, the next to the man, and the man can see easily the boy. Understood? Near means what? Okay, and see, far means what, students? See, the bus is far from the man. The bus is far from the man. See, far means what, students? Far is something which is placed at the distance. See, the distance from us, which is very away from us. Okay, we see that things from distance. That is called as far. Okay, see, away from us. See, the bus is far from the man means the bus is away from the man. See the distance. Okay, understood? Far means what? Again we will see the definition of far. The far is something which is placed at a distance from us, which it is away from us. We can see that things from the distance, that is called as far. And near means what? Something is just very next to us, otherwise close to us, which we can see easily, that is called near. Okay, so see, the boy is near the man. The man can see easily the boy, and the boy is next to the man, otherwise close to the man. So, the boy is near the man. And where is the bus? The bus is away from the man, means far from the man. Understood? Okay, now see the next picture. You just observe this picture. See, observe this picture. See, one cow is there, house and tree. See, observe the picture given below and choose the correct one, near or far. We will write here near or far. Okay. See, where is the cow? The cow is near the house. See, where is the cow? The cow is near the house. So, you just write here near, N-E-A-R, near. Okay, and where is the tree? The tree is far from the house. The tree is far from the house. Understood? So, you just write here far. See, the cow is close to the house. And see, the tree is away from the house. Away means far from the house. See the distance, far from the house. And the cow is just close to the house means near the house. Understood? Now, take out your worksheet bunch. Today we will see the worksheet. Okay, see here, worksheet. Take out this worksheet, observe the pictures and do as directed. Okay, circle the animal that is nearer to the fence. See, this is the fence. See, this is the fence, and tick the one further away. Okay, now circle the animal that is nearer the fence. See, which animal is nearer to the fence? This one. So you just circle this animal because this animal is nearer to the fence. And tick the further away. This animal is away from us. Okay, far from the fence. You just tick here. Now second picture is circle the t-shirt which is furthest from the tree. See, this is the tree and see here three t-shirts are here. Which t-shirt is furthest from the tree? Yes, this t-shirt. So you just circle this t-shirt on. Now third one, see, circle the tree that is nearest to the bird. See, the bird and this tree. See, which tree is the nearest to the bird? Yes, this tree is nearest to the bird. This tree is nearest to the bird. And this tree is far from the bird. This tree is far from the bird. And this tree is close to the bird. Next to the bird. Okay, understood? And this tree is away from the bird. Means far from the bird. Okay, now next one is, see, apples and grapes are there. Circle the apple nearest to the grapes. See, circle the apple. Which apple is nearest to the grapes? Yes, this apple is nearest to the grapes. So you just circle this apple only. Now, last one, circle the kid that is nearest to the balloon. See, circle the kid. Which kid is nearest to the balloon? Yes, this kid is nearest to the balloon. And this kid is far from the balloon. Understood? Near and far concept. Okay. Now turn the page. Turn the page. We will solve this worksheet also. See here. A column and B column. Some pictures are here. Mouse, cat, aeroplane, ant, squirrel and spider. Okay. Now read the given text. Match the objects in box A to the objects in box B. What we will do here? We will match here. Okay. First, one tree is there and two empty boxes are here. Okay. The squirrel is under the tree. Under. This is under? No. This is under. Okay. The squirrel is under the tree. See, where is the squirrel? Yes, the squirrel is here. So you just see here. This, see, you just match this. Okay, you just match this. Under column and squirrel. Okay, next one is the aeroplane is flying above the tree. The aeroplane is flying above the tree. Where is the aeroplane? Yes, above. See, under, above. Okay, then see this box and this box. You just match here. Understood? Next one is, there is a cat under the table. See, on the table, under the table. There is a cat. Where is the cat? See here. This under and this box. You just match. Okay? Understood? Now see, there is a mouse on the table. There is a mouse on the table. On. Where is the mouse? Yes. You just on and this picture you just match here. Understood? Now third one is anthill is there. See the anthill. See on and below. Below means bottom. Okay? Below. The ant is on the anthill. On the anthill. See, ant is here. So A-N-T, ant. So you just match this. Ant is on this box. Okay? And the spider is below the anthill. Below means the bottom. The spider is at the bottom of the anthill. See, where is this? See this box and this spider. You just match. Okay, understood this, students? This all on, under and above, below concept. Okay. Actually our above and below concept remain, but see here, here below means bottom at the anthill. It's okay, tomorrow I will explain you this concept again. Okay. Bye students. You just solve this 2 worksheet and this book also. See this book also and solve this and this worksheet also. Okay students, bye.